Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. 52 degrees outside today, but it's cloudy. It's rainy. It's not a good day today. We've got Slayer JC first in the chat. Slayer. Dark Bro, Slayer. Chris, what's going on, Dark Bro? Chess. Richard, what's going on, Richard? Gorilla. All of you guys. All like three of you. Thank you very much for being in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what is happening at the moment. We've got AMC closing the day at 501. We had the battle of 501 today, and well, any options expiring in the money of 501 did very well. Shiba Inu sitting at 1075 right now, up 1.70% of the day. Look at the lack of volume in Shiba Inu coin. Look at these minutes, not even ticking on Webull right here. That's actually kind of crazy to see for Shiba Inu coin. You know, one of the biggest coins in the world, just sitting sideways and ticking sideways on a minute chart. It looks very strange. GameStop sitting at 2302, the battle of 23 for GameStop today. That's crazy, man. 2302 and 501. Bitcoin sitting at $28,425. Bitcoin still doing very well and holding on to the recent gains. The NASDAQ, dude, finishing 1.74% higher today. Massive gains all day. Beautiful bottom left to upper right. NASDAQ really bouncing back. Coming up on a little level of resistance right there, but nonetheless, the NASDAQ looking very strong. Bjorn Therapeutics 277 bouncing back today. AMC 501, Ethereum 1826, following Bitcoin 1076 on Shiba, 7.6 cents on Doge, 28.5 on Bitcoin. Mullen Auto sitting at 1313, down just slightly after hours. Sundial sitting at $1.60. CEI $1.57. The SPY 409. BBIG 32 cents. Highcroft Mining 43 cents. Netflix 345. The QQQ 320 and Ape sitting at $1.45. I'm telling you, man, it's been a tough week. It's been a tough year. It's been a tough 2 years. The market is hopefully going to be bottoming soon and looking pretty good. But we're going to be watching Bitcoin into the close here, and hopefully we get a little, or after the close now, it's already closed, get a little action going into the weekend. Nonetheless, man, thank you all for being in here right now. Greetings to all. Crypto McDuck, what's happening? Glad to have you. J Bones in the house. What's going on, J Bones? Yo, what's up? Christian Marquez, how you doing? Hooray, I made it this afternoon. Kristen, glad to have you in here. Clearbro, check out Loop Gains. Let's get it, man. Hey, where have you been all week? No live videos. Richard, you are correct, man. Was hanging out with my grandpa all week. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Going back and forth between his house and my house, and basically spending the entire time with him. So, yeah, no live streams. You know, I didn't want to bring the guy over here and then not hang out with him. Just, I'm going to go upstairs for an hour and disappear twice a day. So, spent some time with my grandpa this week. Let's look at Loop. Loop. What is it? Loop Protocol? Is that what it is? Loop Network is what we're looking at. Let's see, over the last couple of days on Loop Network here, it is down 3.5-4% today. But, man, this has been looking beautiful over the last week. It has gone from 10 cents to 26 cents, down to 22 cents right now. But when you were getting in this 10-cent range, you cannot beat a run to 22 cents. Literally doubling your money in about 5 days right here. So those are some insane... Dude, you know, when you can double your money in a week, you don't get that anywhere. If you invest your entire life in some sort of like a 401k or managed account, they don't expect to double your money in a year. So the fact that you can double your money in something like this in a week is extraordinary. Now, of course, this can go back down to 10 cents over the next week. Loop is very volatile, along with the overall crypto market and the stock market right now. But, dude, you don't have to 100x your money. If you're sitting on a 2x gain in a 5-day period, you are beating 100% of the money managers out there. So, Dark Bro, man, if you're sitting on these gains, I love it right now, and I do hope that they continue for you. Let's see. Gold spot price at $2,000 an ounce yesterday. Dude, because of all the volatility, because of all of the uncertainty going on in the world, because of the inflation and interest rates, yes, gold is definitely one of the go-tos for more stable investors. And especially the guys that are worried about the end of the world. Those guys flock to it in times of volatility and uncertainty. I think that projects who build on LUNC are cursed. Terraport launch has flopped due to endpoints. What a disappointment. I hope Garda's play to earn game goes better. I got Birdman or oh my gosh. I didn't even watch. I didn't even sit here and like try to watch the Terraport launch. But if a $3+ million pre-sale, oh my gosh, dude, if they botched that launch, oh boy. Look, I'm not going to say anything just yet about it, but I don't have anything nice to say. So that's why I'm not saying anything about it. They literally took $3 million from the Terra Luna Classic community. If they botched that launch, dude, watch them walk away. Watch them. I'm not going to say anything about it. I'm going to keep it nice. Watch them walk away with that $3 million. Love from India, Aditya Banerjee. How are you doing? I hope that I didn't jack your name up too bad. Sorry if I did. But hopefully, all the way from India, man, you got to be up late or up really early. What time is it in India right now? Clearback, can you scope Onyxcoin? Just curious if it could be worth a turd and a half. A turd and a half. Let's get it, man. Onyxcoin. I don't know if I've ever seen Onyxcoin. Onyxcoin, XCN is the one you're looking at, right? Let's see. Hey, bro, amigos. What's going on? Dial Up Survivor. How you doing? Dial Up. J-Bones. Stock market closed well today. Yes, we needed to close well every day. The NASDAQ did phenomenally, so I wanted to do like that every day, Richard. It's a really good project with solid fundamentals. They even have their own swap platform. That coin could definitely hit $35 a coin in a bull run. Dude, if it goes from 22 cents to $35, you're going to be killing it, Dark Bro. Did a swap and got Terra cheaper than the... Oh, my gosh. I'm going to have to look up... Are they on CoinMarketCap anywhere? I'm going to have to look this up, dude. Kristen, if you got them cheaper than the pre-sale, oh, my gosh. Let's talk, said Dart. Let's do it, man. GME analysis. I'm 10, so we can look at that in 2 seconds. Just not a fundamental analysis, but we can look at the chart here in a couple seconds. We got to look at Onyxcoin first. Onyxcoin, it a half a cent, 0.4 of a cent, sitting here with a $100 million market cap, $98 million market cap. This is not a small coin. It is Ceratic audited, which I do like. Now, $100 million market cap is solid. 44% of the coins are currently outstanding. That's not bad. Let's see what this overall chart looks like. All right, so they have been out for quite a while. They've been out for about a year now, and they did very well after launching. They basically tripled in price from the beginning of April to the end of May. Very nice launch, I would say. But ever since then, they've been coming down, and they've been coming down hard. So here's my main concern, okay? And I don't know anything about this. But my main concern right now is that you look at the last 3 months. I want to look at the last. Let's look at year-to-date. Year-to-date does not follow the overall crypto market whatsoever. Now, you guys kind of know, you've seen the graph of Bitcoin, and you know that January was a great month. January was nothing but gains in the crypto space. Well, January and Onyx sat dead sideways. February, I mean, crypto was kind of pulling back a little bit in February, and Onyx jumped up from about 1 cent to 1.5 cents. But here's the strange part for me. The overall crypto market is doing very well right now with Bitcoin retesting 30,000. But Onyx is losing a lot of value. It's basically lost 75% of its value in the last month. So my question to that is why? Now, my safe assumption is going to be that they've diluted their coin. If that's the case, I'm going to click on market cap. If they've diluted, we could see market cap hold steady or go up, but we know the price has gone down. So if that's the case, okay, not necessarily too bad. But if the market cap is tanking along with the price, you know, you really have to ask why this coin is losing 75% of its value while Bitcoin is gaining in value. So let's see. Market cap also down. Market cap following the price lower. They are not diluting the coin. So it begs the question. And of course, if you ask their development team, they're going to say you're fudding or whatever. But it begs the question, why has it gone from $400 million down to below $100 million market cap in the last month? Why are people selling off of it that way? So, I don't think it's necessarily a turd and a half or anything like that, but it does make me wonder why it's not following the overall market higher when Bitcoin has been doing so well over the last month, but Onyxcoin has been losing value. So, yeah, Gorilla, man, I can't necessarily decide if it's good coin or not. It does bring up a couple questions. Let's see here. I wanted to look at Terraport. Clear. Look at my previous dial-ups. Saying J-Bones. All right. Gorilla. All right. Dial-up. Dial-up. I don't know if your previous came through. Because your previous is literally just J-Bones. Hello. Your previous may not have come through. So you might want to send it again. Terraport isn't working right now. Is it on CoinMarketCap or not? Not on CoinMarketCap. Gosh, man. I can't believe that they... Listen, that actually makes me... I'm not surprised by it, but I'm just wondering now if they're going to continue on. If they're just going to say, well, who cares? We raised 3... I mean, could you imagine that? Even if there's 20... even if the 20 people in here, even if we just evenly split it, right? Could you imagine doing a $3 million raise? That's $150,000 for each one of us. Could you just imagine doing a $3 million raise, pre-sale tokens, and we botched the launch? Who cares? We all walked away with $150,000. It really makes me wonder how they're going to redeem themselves after such a release. You cannot mess something up like that when you have $3 million worth of people's money riding on it. That's just too tough, man. Bro, I'm deep in the studies right now. I've looked at no less than 2,000 projects. My gosh, dude. Some new, some old. I want gains, baby. Dude, 2,000 different projects is ridiculous, Dark, bro. Dude, Dark Bro is going to be well diversified going into the next bull run. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. 100 maybe gains. May the gains be on your side. Slayer JC, may everybody gain. Yes. So I'm tense, man. Just to look at GameStop real quick. You guys, you can see it down here in the bottom right. We'll pull up a big graph because I'm always hiding the GameStop chart. I'm always right in front of it. So looking at GME here on the large chart. The daily doing very well, okay? You had a very nice gap up here on GameStop because their earnings, they finally turned a profit. They are a profitable company. And pulling back, rightfully so. I mean, that was a huge 50% gain in the price of their stock. And I don't think that just being profitable is worth a 50% rise. So it did pull back a little bit. Where did it pull back to? Right to this level of support. So as you can see, I would have given it just a little bit more, but it's coming back down a little bit. So GameStop support, really in this $24 area, major support at 24. But yes, of course, there is support in this 22, 23. Support's a range, okay? Support's range bound. And as you can see, resistance here, boom, tapping it, 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 unable to break out of that $27 resistance. That's exactly where it tried to break through on that positive earnings report. It tried to break up out of that $27 area. Could not do it. I actually believe that it tapped that. I don't know if it was after hours or pre-market, but yeah, you can see coming up and tapping that exact level after hours pre-market and then bouncing back down a little bit. But coming in and looking at the daily here, it is right now at this level of support. Good news is it's a very strong level of support. So there's a good chance that GameStop holds this $22 to $23 level. But I will say this, if it does give that back up, we could be right back down to this area right in here is a first level of support at $19 to $20, and then below that, this $15 level again. So, you can kind of see this level. I'm not going to put a line on here, but $19 to $20, and then $15. if it breaks down through that support, but strong support in this area. So that is good news. I just hope we bounce instead of break down, unless, of course, you're trying to buy another dip on GameStop. But the recent activity is definitely because they're finally profitable and have a positive earnings report. Let's see. Long live Clay, bro. Remy, man. What's going on, Remy? I haven't seen you in here in forever, man. Hopefully you're doing okay. Thanks for the insight, Clay. Gorilla Invictus. Absolutely, man. Looks like Terraport is functioning now. Kristen, good deal. What's the price trading at? I'm dropping some knowledge today. One of my methods of checking for potential issues with a project is to check the code on the coin on Go Plus tab. I don't know anything about code, Dark Bro. What do you got to look for on the code, man? That's literally. I wish I knew more about it, but you telling me to check the code on Go Plus, I hope I'm not the only idiot in here that doesn't know about code. But what kind of stuff do you look for on that? Because I wouldn't even know where to start looking. Terra Station is messed up too. Might be connected. I just did a swap on port, and it worked though. 1 LUNC equals 0.003 Terra. Gotcha. So Terra is what? Nearly 100 times more than Terra Luna Classic is. What's that give you for price wise? Because I know that it was supposed to be trading around 3 to 4 cents, right? Let's see. Dial up. My comments coming through. That one came through. Dial up. Yes. Prior to that, no, I don't think it is, because prior to that, dial up, the comment that I see is Clay. Look at my previous. So you may be typing something that I don't know what it is, but you might have some sort of a trigger word in there that YouTube's not letting come through. Because when you said my comments coming through, the last one I see is Clay. Look at my previous. So I really don't think all your comments are coming through. Whatever you're typing, something must be held up. Let's see. Coming back down here. Did you see my comment about the top 3 spots? I did not, dial up. I did not. I don't think that that's coming through. And I don't know why, but I don't think it's coming through. Hey, everybody. Just got home from court. Darn the legal Tim, I will agree with you, man. The legal system is not a good legal system. I don't know what you're going through, but hopefully everything's all right, man. Appreciate the feedback. Entered 426.23 call. Let's see. Man, not bad, man. Not bad. And that call is right at that level of support, right? So very good chance that it bounces off that $23 level that we just talked about. And if it bounces off that 23, you know, your $23 call is going to be very lucrative, bouncing back up and testing this resistance at 27. Don't be afraid, dude. If it bounces early and tests this 27, remember, if you bought that call instead of selling it, if you bought that call, you're going to be doing much better the earlier you are. So if we test this 25, 26, 27 level again, your call option might be $5, $6, $7. If it maintains that level by the end of April, even if it stays here, it's $27 and never loses any value. The time value is going to eat away. So instead of being worth $5, $6, $7, it would expire at $4 if it jumps up to 27. So your call option at expiration, if the price of the stock is 27, is going to be $4. So if you really think it's going to retest this level right here, and it does it early, take advantage of the time value of the money as well, man. I can't tell you to sell or anything like that. And I really never would. Honestly, if you guys are sitting on profit, I don't care. I mean, I don't care if you lose the profit. I don't care if you make more profit or make less profit. It is your decision to make. It doesn't affect me in any way. But I want you to know the decision you're making. So if it hits this level early, you're going to have the $4 intrinsic value, and you're going to have an additional time value, which may be $1, $2, $3. So keep that in mind. The earlier it runs up, the better off you're going to be. And of course, if it just even maintains this level, which is excellent, you're going to be losing that time value of money if you wait until expiration. So definitely something to think about, man. Not a bad entry. It could be a dangerous call if it falls through that $23, $22 support. So if it tanks down through that, I personally wouldn't want to hold on to it and watch how far down it can go, but it's definitely up to you. Let's see where we're at now. I will post a picture in the supporters chat with some more info, but it checks the code of the coins for issues such as suspend trading features, ownership, information, sell tax, buy tax, and everything. That way you can know if your money's safe. It's a very good thing to do before putting any money into a coin. Yeah, Dark Bro, that actually sounds like a pretty good thing to do, man. I feel bad that I don't kind of understand, what the code is and what all that stuff is, but I do understand not putting your money into something they can rug you on. Nobody wants to get rugged, dude. Nobody wants to get rugged. It's okay if you make a bad decision and you thought it was going to go up and it just goes down. But, dude, it's different when somebody scams you, man. When somebody steals your money like that, that's just trash, dude. You feel violated as opposed to, all right, I made a bad decision, I'll make a good decision next time. You feel violated when somebody robs you like that, and that ain't good. 34 in the chat, 6 likes. Come on now. Guys, oh my gosh, if there's really 6 likes in this chat, I don't even want to hit you with an ad because there's only 34 in here, but, dude, if there's 34 people in here and only 6 likes, you guys are going to make me cry. Well, let's see. $10 likes. So he was probably right when he said 6 likes. You guys are going to make me cry. That's terrible. Let's see. Oh, April 6th, not the 26th. Gotcha. Yeah, 10s, man. Look, dude, not bad, but your expiration is going to eat at your time value even quicker. So if you get a nice run up next week, Monday, Tuesday, like I say, dude, I'm not going to tell you to take it, but you're going to see some nicer gains if it happens Monday or Tuesday than you would if it happens on Thursday or Friday. Let's see. 24. Fat finger. No, there was 34 in here, man. I saw 34. All cover calls expired. Out of the money. Very nice, Frank. Positions green on the day. Long-term retirement portfolio closed the day up 1.43% for a second consecutive day over 10. I call that a good week. Frank, heck yeah, man. Making money on all those cover calls. Nothing got called away from you. Very good, dude. Listen, guys, when you sell a covered call, like Frank is doing there, then your your option expires out of the money. You just generated yourself some free income. If he would have held that stock and not sold any covered call, he'd be in the exact same position he is now, minus the premium that he generated. So that means he earned extra income that he would not have had if he didn't sell those covered calls. He still owns this stock, but he basically gave himself a free paycheck. So, Frank, very nicely done, man. Here's an example. A coin that I previously put money into last year before I knew that Gold Plus existing had a 100% buy tax and a 100% sell tax and a suspend trading code. If I would have known before, would have saved me some money. That's a theft. You know what I mean? Like, that right there is a theft, dude. 100% buy tax, 100% sell. It's a theft. They're just out there to steal your money. So you are right, dude. And that's stuff that people need to know. And I wish that I did know all of the coding and how to see that stuff. But that's stuff that people absolutely need to know, man. Because nobody wants to get into a situation where there's 100% sell tax. They just take all your money and laugh. That's not cool, dude. If you're out there trying to steal people's money, you feel bad about yourself. Just do it. Oh, there. Did that come through? Dial-up Survivor. There. Did that come through? Came through. But the previous thing that I see from you is Timmy. That's it. I do not see anything about top 3 coming through. And I have no idea why. Dial-up. I have no idea why. I just see, I see you, Dark Bro, Frank, Crypto McDuck, I'm Tens, Tim, Dark Bro, Tim, I'm Tens, Tim, and then you saying Tim. So I don't think it came through. Normal, you would show up, you could type, but we couldn't see you. Yeah, it's very strange. It's really simple, bro. This would have saved people who knew about it, including myself, money. Yeah, no kidding. Especially people, imagine somebody invested a couple $100 into it. That'd be really annoying. Message on Discord, and you let me know if there's anything wrong. Dial up. All right, perfect. I did see that. There's got to be some sort of a trigger word in there that's causing it to come through, because I see all of these messages. I just don't see the other ones. Portfolio up 21% this week. Bones is happy. Oh my gosh, Bones is killing it, dude. A 21% weekly gain. I'm telling you right now, the best money managers don't hit 21% in a year. J-Bones absolutely destroying it. Timmy, I need handle material. Timmy, get Pudgy some handle material so he can get you that knife. That sick knife, dude. I've seen a picture of that knife, Pudgy. It looks awesome. I'm going to post a link to Go Plus in the supporters chat for anyone who wants to use it. If you're looking at a project, copy the contract address in the coin and enter it into Go Plus, and it will check. That sounds like a very nice website, dude. I'm not going to lie. It sounds like a very nice website. Guys, a little market update, little recap. Nothing going on after hours right now. AMC sitting dead sideways at 501 after hours. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1074. We've got GameStop sitting at 2301 after hours. Dead sideways. Bitcoin down here at 28,372 as opposed to the 28,472 that it was at when we opened the live stream. Of course, we got Bureau Therapeutics sitting sideways. Ethereum down a little bit with Bitcoin there. Shiba sitting dead sideways. Dogecoin sitting sideways, pulling back a little bit over the last half hour or so. Mullen Auto having a pretty good day today, giving back some of the gains that it had this morning, but nonetheless closing 8%, almost 9% higher today. Sundial, $1.60, nothing going on after hours. CEI, nothing going on after hours. Just a couple ticks there, I'm sure on very low volume. Yeah, one share. The SPY sitting at 409 after hours, not doing too much, dead sideways. BBIG still sideways. Highcroft Mining, nothing. A very, very quiet after hours trading this lovely Friday afternoon. And the last trading day of March. Today's actually the last day of March, isn't it? Wow. I can't believe that tomorrow's April Fool's Day already. I could not believe that. It's Chris's birthday tomorrow. Is Chris in the chat? Are you in here, Chris? If you are, we're going to sing happy birthday to you again. If not, well, then, of course, I'm not singing happy birthday. What you need? I got a big old lightning struck red oak burl. Is that what you want the handle to be made of, Tim? We need to make sure that Tim gets the handle that he wants on this one. He might want a big old lightning struck red oak burl, whatever that means. He's going to need some wood, I guess. Pudgy needs some wood, maybe? Is that right, Pudgy? Pudgy, you need a little wood for the handle there? My goodness. Oh, you know what I haven't even looked at all week long? I have no idea where Paul Swap's at. Let's go see where Paul. Let's see where that's at. PawZone. I want to check out PawZone real quick. So, Paul and PawZone, okay? These are the ones that are kind of going head to head. PawZone is the token that, oh gosh, JD or something, I don't even remember what his name is, from the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. He's created PawZone. So, let's check out this. Let's see, down 4.6% today. Fully diluted market cap of $17 million. My goodness, man. A lot of people trading it. $2 million being traded today. All-time graph. It's been listed on CoinMarketCap for about 2 days now. Still very low. So it's up about 10% from where it launched on CoinMarketCap here. The thing that I thought was funny, I did see some drama going on about this coin. That it was supposed to be a fair launch, but they told everybody that it launched like 9 minutes after it launched, allowing everybody to go in there and buy up coins for nothing. And then it jumped up in value. So let's look at the holders. We've got, I'm sure that this here is some sort of a Uniswap or something. This has to be a liquidity pool. There's no way we get 2 wallets with that many coins in them. A lot of wallets with about a third of the supply in them. And do they have any transactions? Okay, some buy transactions. We got anything else going on in here? Let's look at this one. Some in, no outs. All right, in is good. We got anything else going on in here? In. All right, these wallets seem to be buying. None of these guys seem to be selling yet, but 35 holders. All right, they're gaining traction pretty quick over here. Let's see how it stacks up against Paul Swap, right? All right, it's just Paul. All right, Paul up 10% today, sitting at 3,300 points per coin. It is back down from where it was. Let's look at the last 3 months here. Jumping up nicely, continuing unfortunately to come down, bouncing off this support level right in here. So this 3,000 point per coin or 300 point per coin or 30 point per coin, however you're looking at it, level is providing some resistance, some support right now. If it falls through, though, guys, if it falls through, I really don't doubt that you're going to add a 0 back on there. But PawSwap currently has a $32 million total, doing $2 million in volume, the same exact way that PawZone is doing. Of course, PawSwap has 9,000 holders as opposed to the 3,500 holders, and a $33 million fully diluted market cap. Not bad. Major wallets. This guy is holding almost $200,000 of PawSwap. In. A lot of these transactions are in transactions. Doesn't seem like anybody. Ooh, this bad boy's in and out on here. We got a lot of transactions for that wallet. So, yeah, PawSwap maturing a little bit as a coin. In. Ooh, one out. Pretty big out right there, too. 2.5 trillion coins on that transaction. 2.5 trillion? Yeah, million, billion, trillion. That was a big out. Trillion coins. My gosh. Coming back out here to the Weeble chart. Let's see where we go. Where's Farmy? Can I do a $10 hostile takeover? Tim, let me join you, man. Let's make it 5 and 5. I have no idea. I haven't looked at Farmy in a while. I clicked on the wrong one. Let's see. 45 cents. Ooh, nice 5% gain today, man. But look at this daily, dude. Look at this daily right here. These people rip you off worse than any rugged cryptocurrency you'll ever find. A nice gain going from 40 cents all the way up to $1.15. Leveling off, and then in good old farmy fashion, boom! 1 week, bringing you right back down to that 38 cent mark, and maybe double bottoming here. So this was all-time lows being hit, bounced off of it nicely. Boom! All-time lows being hit again. Question is, does it curl back over and hit a new fresh all-time low, or does it bounce once more and create a very large W? I don't know the answer. In all honesty, I think it's going to tank back down, man. It will be back down to the 6 cents after 1 for 25 reverse splitting and literally losing 99.99% of its value. So I wouldn't bet on a W, giant W being made. I would not bet on that, but it's not an impossibility. I'm not touching it. Bros, please look at MMIT killing it right now. Crypto Dreamer, let's do it. Yeah, they all got their buddies on beforehand. 9 minutes. Dude, 9 minutes is all you need. You don't even need 9 minutes. You just need 2 minutes. Let's see. I got some black walnut root burls too. Just give me a minute. I got some legal stuff I have to deal with. There you go, Tim. All I was saying is that 3 of my cryptos are in the top 3 spots on my crypto exchange. Nice! Dial-Up Survivor. I have no idea why that did not come through. None whatsoever. But that is incredible. Hopefully, that means that they are moving up in price and you're making some sweet gains on it. I don't know why that wouldn't come through. That's crazy. MMIT. Is MMIT a coin or a stock? Let's see here. MMIT. Mango Man? Intelligent? All right. Mango Man Intelligent. What do we got here? Mango Man Intelligent coming in with a 75% gain right now. Dude, is this real life? I don't even know if this coin's real. This is one of the coins that I would like to put in GoGo Plus or Go Plus or GoGo Mr. Gadget, whatever website that Dark Bros got right there. This is insane. March 12th, in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, what is this? Going from 1, 10xing. Okay, 10xing to here. 50xing. This is a 50x gain. This is a 50x gain right here in 2 weeks. Ah, come on. Let's see. Did Dark Bro post that link? Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Hold on. All right, this is Mango Man Intelligent. All right, it knows the coin. This is the attention item. So that they can mint new tokens. That seems like it's the main problem right here. All right, I'm not going to lie. I don't know everything that I'm looking at. It's the first time I've seen it. Buy tax and sell tax, 0%. Does not appear to be a honeypot. Holders can sell all of the tokens. No codes found to suspend trading. Wow, man. Anti-whale can't be modified. The tax can't be modified. There's no blacklisted wallets, no whitelisted wallets. Huh. Dude, if you're sitting, listen, like I say, this is the first time I've used this website right here. The only attention item is that they may be able to mint new tokens. And that's a may be able to mint new tokens. Dude, if we're looking at a legitimate 50x gain in the last 2 weeks on Mango Man Intelligent, some people are very, very happy right now. Very happy. Hitting a 50x gain, dude. Hitting a 50x gain is sick. Whenever had a question from this week, go into Zela, Mullen, or both. I told him Mullen Auto and hope I'm right, and he won't let me borrow his step ladder anymore. John, sit down. No, man. He needs that step ladder more than you do. Anyway, yeah, Mullen Auto actually doing very well. I don't know what Zela's been doing. I haven't looked at that in a very long time, but I do know that Mullen's doing pretty well. Yeah, Zela, just good. Just be glad that he didn't get into that. Zela's hitting some all-time lows here. This stock has been plagued with losses, going from $3.80 at the end of last year to 3 cents. 99.9% of its value just wiped out. So I wouldn't worry about Zela there whatsoever. Mullen Auto, on the other hand, if he got in this week, he's not doing too bad. Mullen Auto is up about 50% from where it was a couple days ago. So Mullen Auto going from 8.8 cents up to 13 cents right here. So Mullen having a nice little bounce. The resistance level is going to be in this 18-cent area, but it did test. If you look at the pre-market today, it did test 17 cents and got denied off of it pretty heavy there. So keep that in mind. The daily, though, looks like a nice little bounce right here. But Mullen Auto is another one that has been hit very hard and has done nothing but lose money for a very long time. You go from $5 down to 13 cents over the period of a year. Those are some very hard hits that you got to deal with. And Mullen has been hit very hard and continues to be hit very hard for some reason. Let's see. Look at the supply, though. Oh, what is that? 2 quadrillion tokens? It was... yes. I know you guys can't see it right now, but million, billion, trillion, 2 quadrillion, 2.1 quadrillion tokens. Twice as much as Shiba Inu coins all-time high supply, or total supply. And I don't know how many coins they've burnt or anything like that. Tell you the truth, Clay. Next bull run, I'm going to be a multi-millionaire. Ask Crypto Shady. Tell you the truth. I hope that every single one of you guys, there's 39 people in here, right? That's not a lot of people. That's really not. That's just a group of people. It's a classroom full of people. Dude, there's no reason 39 of us could not just make $1 million in the next bull run. There's no reason that you can't 100x your money. And if you got a couple $1,000s invested, dude, and you hit $1 million, it is going to be sick. Just take your profits, because there will be another bear market. I guarantee you there will be another bear market. There's going to be another bull market after that. But, dude, I can guarantee you there's going to be another bear market that comes, even though it seems like we're out of the woods and everything's going to clear up and do nothing but go up. Let's see. Gotta roll for now, bro, fam. Have a great weekend. As always, stay frosty, baby. Happy birthday to the folks out there. Yes, Gorilla Invictus, man. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. And it is Chris's birthday, but I don't know if Chris is in here. And also, Don't Be Salty's birthday. But I don't know if Don't Be Salty is in here either. Hey, bros, Peak of Power. What's going on? How's Cardano doing? Cardano's doing very well lately. Cardano was up like 7% earlier today. Nope, not DAD, ADA, not DAD. ADA sitting at 40 cents right now, up 7% on the day today. Over the last couple of months has done very nice, going from 23 cents to 40 cents. Over the last couple of weeks, going from 30 cents up to 40 cents. So Cardano has been doing very well, retesting this level of resistance. If it's unable to break through it, I mean, I would expect another pullback, but it's going to be nice. If it breaks through, I think we could be channeling back to the 50-cent range. So making a nice 25% gain from the current prices if it's able to break through that level of resistance right there. Went from 3,000 to 135,000. Crypto Dreamer. If we're talking about the crypto portfolio, very nice, Crypto Dreamer. Hey, bro, no ignore. Just wrote you a beautiful poem and you just skipped right over it. How you been, chica? Emma D. Hey, J-Bones, Dark Bro, Dial Up. Yes, Emma D. Hey there, Clay. How's the day? It's too rainy to go out and play, but not to dismay. I shall sit here and blaze like a pro and chill with the bros. Unless y'all start in with the needle toes. Yes, that was a beautiful poem. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. And we may start in with the noodle toes. Not the. Did I say needle toes or noodle toes? What is a needle toe, man? Dude, you guys better be calming down with the needle toes, man. Nobody wants a needle toe. Everybody likes the noodle toes, but a needle toe, that's like a really skinny toe, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. No ignore MMIT 1000x potential. Nobody ever ignores that kind of stuff, man. Nobody. My ex-wife's gonna be regretting saying I was too broke to stay with. Oops, someone done messed up. Ask Crypto Shady. There you go, man. There you go. And that's really mean. Like, if somebody ever does say you're too broke to stay with, that's like, that doesn't even make sense, man. That doesn't even make sense. Like, I get it if all you want to do is sit on the couch all day and never apply yourself to anything, but you're too broke to stay with is, it's kind of immature, I would think. I don't know. Awesome. Thanks a milli, Tim. Heck yeah. We got, it's rainy and cold here too. Well, how cold? Because it's 52 and rainy here. Is it colder than that here? Hey, Clay, what's your thoughts on ApeCoin? Our in-house expert on ApeCoin is Peak of Power. Peak of Power does nothing but make money on ApeCoin. My personal opinion on ApeCoin is that it's going to be very tied to and heavily correlated to the NFT projects that Yuga Labs is able to dish out there. So the better NFT projects that they can get, the better that ApeCoin is going to do. Let's see, bull run goes fire truck, automatic weapons, commercial grade fireworks, another 240 acres, and a whole bunch of other stupid stuff. I like it, Tim. All American Breakers! 100, baby. 100, baby. 100, baby. All American Breakers, thank you very much to the super chat. 100. We got that 100. I heard everybody loves Raymond. That true? I think it is true. Everybody does love Raymond. I don't know why. Everybody hates Chris, and everybody loves Raymond. I guess that's the. I guess that's just what it is, man. Everybody loves Raymond, and everybody hates Chris. Snowing. My what? You guys have had way too much snow. It has literally only snowed here like 3 or 4 days, man. We've only ever had like accumulation of snow like 3 or 4 days this winter, which is crazy. I mean, that's very low. It's been a wildly mild winter. But you guys have had way too much snow. Minnesota and Northern California, like West Coast, Darkbro got a lot of snow too. You guys have had way too much snow, man. Let's see. Raymond and his mom's an overbearing crone. Yeah, you know, his mom was a little tough. I don't really care for his mom too much there. ApeCoin is awesome. Pika, I like it. Pika's our in-house ApeCoin expert. Sunny and surfing. 82 degrees here in Mexico. Crypto Greg. Crypto Greg, do you live in Mexico? Because I feel like you're always in Mexico. So I don't know if you vacation there or if you live in Mexico, but I feel like you're always in Mexico. Is this true? Hit the like button, kids. Listen to Johnstontown and click the like button right now. Debating on buying some more. Slayer JC. Some more. I didn't see what Slayer was buying. Oh, ApeCoin. Buying some ApeCoin. Yeah, dude, you know, I don't know. I don't think that ApeCoin is like some meme coin, man. They've got a lot of utility with their NFTs, and Yuga Labs is a huge company. So I do think that, I don't think that ApeCoin's like terribly risky. I just think that they're heavily dependent on their NFT projects. And when you've got something like Dookie Dash, okay, I don't necessarily agree with all of their storylines, and okay, Dookie Dash could be something cooler, but dude, that key that kid won playing Dookie Dash, he sold for $1 million. He sold that key for like 1,000 Ethereum, man. He sold that key for $1 million. So I really do think that there's a lot of money associated with those NFTs, associated with ApeCoin, associated with these all the projects that Yuga Labs pumps out. So ApeCoin's probably the most affordable way in to the Yuga Labs ecosystem, but they make a killing, dude. In any NFT project where you can legitimately sell with 100% liquidity an NFT day one for $1 million, it's crazy. Let's see. Click. What do you think about Matt Wallace and his Dogecoin predictions of $1.69? Listen, I don't think that $1.69 is crazy. Clearly, he's talking about $1.69 because he likes to play on the 69. You know, next he'll be saying 420 and stuff like that. So, you know, I understand that kind of mentality when it comes to wanting to hit 69. Let's get to 69 cents before we talk about $1.69. But, okay, Matt Wallace he's a crazy kid, dude. I've watched a lot of his videos. And one of the things that I noticed that he was ranking very well, and I do it in my videos now, right? One of the things that I noticed about his Dogecoin videos, he literally said Dogecoin like every 10 seconds, and it annoyed me. But I realized, dude, you know, even if this kid doesn't realize that he's onto something here, he's tricking the YouTube transcription into pounding home that video is about Dogecoin. So, because I made a few Dogecoin videos back in the day and wondered why I never ranked for them. After watching his videos, I'm like, well, this dude says Dogecoin like every 10 words. So, YouTube's definitely going to know his videos about Dogecoin. Therefore, YouTube may rank his video based on that. So, I did learn a little bit about potentially ranking in YouTube by tricking YouTube into knowing your videos about a certain subject. But I do think that he's got, I don't want to say more optimistic, but less realistic views on things. Extremely. I try to get hyped up and I try to get, you know, that hopium going and everything. But, you know, his fascination with Elon Musk, his fascination, and I get what he's doing too and just pumping a community up. I think that there's a sense of realism that isn't necessarily maintained, and everything's extremism. So, you know, you can see on his Twitter account too, like everything is extremism. Bill Gates is arrested and trying to kill everybody. Elon Musk is going to blow the top off the world, and the world's lies are going to be exposed. Dogecoin gonna go to $100 a coin. You know, there's a lot, and the dude, it works because he's got almost 1 million followers on Twitter, and he's got like 300 and something thousand or 400,000 or something on YouTube. So that sort of extremism definitely works. But although I think that $1.69 is a possibility during another bull run where meme coins can hit $100 billion valuations, it's not like it's just going to happen, man. So that's kind of my very long-winded answer to that. Getting more than the Midwest. Snow, I think we're talking about. I'm not sure. Crypto Greg lives in... where do you live in Mexico, man? Is it nice down there? Is it someplace that it's, you know, acceptable to live in? Let's see. Riding 110 mile an hour, weaving, traffic, and yelling, "Get out the way. I'm trying to break the law. I'm so rude." Don't do that, Pudgy. Don't do that, man. The only snow I see is the frost in my freezer. Australia representing, baby. Ask Crypto Shady. Very nice, dude. Very warm down there in Australia. Hey, bro. On another one of my lottery ticket, please. KN. Sold mine at 69. Dude, you killed it, dude. I sold mine at 32 or 34. I forget. Let's see. Can. You beat me on Dogecoin for sure. We gotta pull up Can. Lottery ticket play. What do we got here? Which one is it, dude? You gotta tell them. Channels, Coin, Content and Ad Network, Coinway Coin. I don't know which one it is. Tell me which one it is, Dark Bro. A great job explaining your thoughts. 100. All American Breakers. Thank you very much, dude. Hey, Clem, excited for Koyo. You know what? Yeah, Koi token or Koyo or whatever, however you pronounce it, man. They have been doing phenomenally to burn Shiba Inu coin. I don't know if that coin's ever going to take off. I don't know if people are going to 100, 200, 300x or even make I imagine they can make a 5x gain or something. But I don't know if Koyo is going to make people rich. But what I do know is that they're doing a phenomenal job of supporting the Shiba Inu coin community. They're doing a phenomenal job of getting a lot of free advertising by burning Koyo. And that's worth the amount that they're burning. You know what I mean? Like, they've burnt, I think, $50,000 or $60,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. And some people may agree or disagree, but the amount of publicity they have gotten for the $50,000, $60,000 directly in a crypto community, like 100% targeted ads at that $50,000 to $60,000 rate, they've been, like, people know about them. Let's see if we can get a couple statistics on them. Is this them? I don't think that this is their coin. Is this their coin? I don't know if this is them or not. I don't know. I really don't know if this is them. This might just be another coin, but this is what they do. So I don't know if this is them or not. $7 million market cap. I do think that they could do better than that. Completely decentralized right now. And I would imagine they would have done better in price, but I don't know if that's them or not. It's Channels, the top one. Gotcha. Any thoughts on Terraport? RC, yeah, I've been seeing there's a lot of problems with Terraport right now, so I hope that they get their act together. You can't have a $3 million sale, $3 million pre-sale, and then botch a launch. So that's my current thoughts on them, man. I hope that they're doing everything that they can to make things right at this launch. Killing it on Baby Doge. Bought the bottom. You have Shiba and Doge millionaires. Well, I'll be a Baby Doge millionaire. Ask Crypto Shady. Dark Bro doing pretty well on Baby Doge right now too. So you guys Be millionaires together, dude. I love it. Let's come out here and look at Can really quick. It's the top one. It is Channels. Very nice. Down 12% today. Very low market cap. $192,000 has done, yes. I don't even know if this is going to continue coming down or not. This is down very, 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 very heavy in price. If this goes anywhere near where it was before, man, you're going to be talking massive. Oh, jeez, they had to have diluted. I don't know about this, man. They had to have diluted. I don't think that this coin's going to go to $10 or $70. But when you're sitting on 3 zeros and a 2, any spike up, nice lottery ticket play. They are Certic audited. They've got whatever audit this is right here. I've never seen Fairy Proof before. But yes, very nice on that one, Dark Bro. That could turn into a pretty sweet lottery ticket play, man. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Whew! Just made it. And I have not taken a drink this entire live stream, Patrick. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Nobody else in here gave me a drink, dude. Nobody else in here gave me a drink. They wanted to see if my throat could last a full hour with no drink. Tim throwing a green name out there. And Vishnu grabbing that green name. Vishnu, love it, man. Vishnu, if you're in here watching, please say thank you to Tim. Everybody else, if you are here watching, say thank you to Tim as well, man. Throwing that green name out there. Making more bros. Tim, dude, I love it. Streamlabs ain't working. Something's going on with it. I'll try to test it. Are you testing with PayPal or what? Is it just the link? Let me see what I got, because you guys were saying that, and I don't know where it was here. Because everything looked fine where I was set up there. Yeah. You know what? Streamlabs. I think Streamlabs updated the, I think Streamlabs changed the link. This is a different link than the one you guys got, right? What the heck is that? Oh, that's the contract address. No, I ain't pasting that. No, that's the... it does say something went wrong over there. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'll have to look into that, because I opened the web page up and it says something went wrong immediately. And I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know why it would be doing that. Maybe they're just having problems today, dude. Who the heck knows? Guys, it's past 5 o'clock. Get your name in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs. And then you guys are going to have a wonderful weekend, man. Vishnu, hopefully you're in here and you got that green name and you're loving it and having some fun. But you just might not speak English. And to say thanks to Tim. Tim, man, thank you very much for that. Dark Bro, thank you very much for letting me know something's going on with Streamlabs. I have no idea what it is. If they don't have it fixed on Monday or over the weekend, we'll have to look into it a little bit better. Peter, you are green. Looking good in that green as well. So into my card, want to limit input payment information? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. I'll try to get it figured out, dude. I don't know. Dark Bros, see you later, man. Peter, see you later. J Bones, peace out. The handed turtle tacos, dude. Yes. Erdemli. Koyo Army. Very nice. Peter, see you later, man. Ask Crypto Shady. Gonna be honest, Clay. Changed my perspective with your video. Shiba will make millionaires. I watched it over 20 times, and it really changed my directions. Thanks for that. Appreciate you. Perfect, dude. Perfect. I don't know if anybody's watched any video more than 20 times. That's a lot of times, man. Ask Crypto Shady. Enjoy your day. We've got Erdemli. Hello, Clay, bro. Richard, man. Crypto Greg. Timmy. Thank you very much, Tim, for the super chat. My gosh. I'm back. Richard, enjoy it. Crypto Greg, shout out to Kleber. Have a great Friday. Have a great Friday yourself, Crypto Greg, man. Richard, see you later. Tim, thank you very much. Stuart, all of you guys. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, I didn't say until the next time. My gosh. If you guys want to say it with me now, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. J Bones coming in late on that one, J Bones. Yes, man. I got you. J Bones, man, thank you very much for the flying super chat. It's gonna be a good weekend now. It's gonna be a good one. Tim! Thank you very much, Tim, for the super chat and the upside down face. J Bones, man, thank you very much for the superhero super sticker. RC, Tim, J Bones. You guys want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Tim, thank you very much for the King Turkey. Absolutely love it, man. Hopefully your dogs love it as well. And Emma D. Thank you very much for the King Monkey. Thank you very much for the King Turkey. Absolutely appreciate all of the bros out there, man. It is going to be a great weekend. And Pudgy. No, I didn't ignore you, man. I didn't see anything that you sent over. If you sent it, I would have read it. We've got a shout out to RC, shout out to Tim, shout out to J-Bone, shout out to Pudgy, shout out to Tim, and shout out to Emma D. Now, you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.